गौरचंद्राय रताय कलाय कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय भक्ताय वंशावदनश्च कृपासिन्धुभयं च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम एवं समस्त वैष्णव के चरण कमलों में मेरा अधिकार चेतन चेतन मध्य देगा 22वां छोटी प्रधान जिसमें भक्ति के बारे में बता रहे स्वयं चैतन्य महाप्रभु सनातन विष्णु के पलक्ष्य करके दो प्रकार के साधन है, एक वैदिक साधन और एक वेदांत साधन। जिनमें पूर्व जन्म की कोई संस्कार नहीं है, केवल ज्ञात अथवा अज्ञात स्थिति के आधार पर साधु शास्त्र वचन के ऊपर विश्वास करते जो भजन साधन करते हैं उसकी कालत है वैधि मार्ग साधन। मैंने विधि के लेकर चल विधि मार्ग इसलिए जो कहा जाता है विधि मार्ग व्यक्ति अथवा शास्त्र अनुशासन में व्यक्ति अनेक नामों से इसको कहा जाता है। अथवा भटपालिका भक्ति कहा जाता है। भटपालिका शास्त्र में बताया गया यदि भजन साधन नहीं करे तब तो नरक में जाए। इसलिए नरक जाने की जड़ से जो भजन आदि होता है उसी की बात उसी काम में भक्त पालन करती है उत्पादन कराता है भक्त पालन करती और भक्ति का होता है।
There is two kind of bhakti. First is the Devi bhakti and the second one is Raganuga bhakti. So according to our past impression,
भजन में रुचि हो जाए।
So according to our past impression, we are performing bhajan in sadhan.
भजन में रुचि उत्पन्न,
So we get the taste in bhajan, the ruchi in bhajan.
वो होता है स्वाभाविक रूप में होता है।
It is spontaneously,
जैसे ब्रजवासियों की
just like the Brajvasi Jan have.
महत्व आदि सुन करते हैं,
So hearing the glories of the Brajvasi Jans, so what kind of greed we have in our heart,
तब वो भजन में प्रवृत्त होता है, भजन में करता है।
so the jeev
जैसे मैंने
engage
कहा था,
in the bhajan. Yes, as I told you,
ब्रजवासियों की प्रेम महत्व कैसे थी, जैसे किस प्रकार नंद यशोदा कृष्ण की कैसे सेवा की।
so how Nand Yashoda has served Krishna in the Vatsalya mode.
माँ यशोदा
Mother
गोपाल
Yashoda,
को कैसे वात्सल्य का आशीर्वाद,
so how Mother Yashoda is treating Gopal like a son in a Braj mode, in a Vatsalya bhav.
अथवा सुबल सुदाम आदि
And just like a Subal Shradam
गोपाल की इस प्रकार
is serving Krishna in the Sakya mode.
पुत्र भाव
Sakya bhav, Sakya bhav.
कान में चढ़ाते हैं, कान में चढ़ते हैं,
They used to go on the back of the
अपने घुटन
Krishna.
लाते हैं,
They used to give the tasted food of Krishna.
कान पर चढ़ जाते हैं।
They used to
और
sit on the lap of
कैसे
Krishna,
कैसे तेरे तेरे सारे के सब पता नहीं तो
and they used to abuse each other.
तुमको बड़े लोग आने की नहीं समझ। कभी-कभी सखाएं जो है कृष्ण के साथ लड़ाई भी करते हैं।
Sometimes the friends of Sakhas of Krishna, they used to fight with each other.
ये समझते थे अथवा गोपियां कृष्ण के प्रति ऐसे प्रगाढ़ प्रेम आदि रखते हैं।
See, the gopis of Vibraj have a deep impression, deep love towards Krishna, and they used to give so kinds of teasing. Tumi kaun bado lom.
प्रिया जी मान करी पाए बसनाम विदस्तुति वैकुनो हरि।
Shampoo अपना लगा चाहिए.
गोपियां मान करके कृष्ण के नाम में कैसे कैसे शब्द आदि बोलते हैं।
Gopi used to say so many bad words to Krishna.
ब्रह्मा की देवता की तरह की छोड़ी
And
वैकुंठ में लक्ष्मी आदि
even Lakshmi in the Vaikunth, the Lakshmi who is residing in the Vaikunth, they cannot use these kinds of words to Narayan. Chor, Lampat. So hearing these kinds of words, Krishna is very too much eager. Why? Because they have the deep love in their heart. Because there is love, so there is the lover is used to eager for hearing this kinds of word. Where the love is, inferior or less, so there is no this kinds of feelings. How Brahma and other devtas is doing stuti of Krishna.
ऐसे वेद मंत्र के द्वारा कृष्ण की स्तुति आदि करते हैं।
They are doing stuti of Krishna's by the Veda mantra. And Krishna is saying that I don't get pleased with this kinds of Veda stuti. Why? Because they don't have the love in their heart. And the gopi has too much love in their heart. So what is that love?
सनातन गोस्वामी पाद के निकट
So that's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying towards Sanatana Goswami Pad,
जिससे रागानुगा भक्ति की बारे में आलोचना करते जा रहे हैं।
which is we call the Raghunath Bhakti. The Brajvasi Jan, they have the love. This is spontaneous. The love Brajvasi Jan have in their heart, this is spontaneous. Who are the Nitya Parikar of Krishna, Nanda, Yashoda, Subhashridam, and the gopis. These all are the Nitya Parikar of Krishnas. They are the embodiment of and the incarnation of Swarup Shakti. So that's why they have the spontaneous for Krishna. They have these kinds of feelings. In the broadcast is also available. If you want, then you can check. So,
ये ब्रजवासी के हृदय में कृष्ण के प्रति ऐसे संस्कार है जिसका लोग की सर्वोन्नत प्रीति का
so Brajvasi Jan have this kind of sanskar which is called Lokik Sadbandhu Preeti. Just like we have seen the love in this world, we used to love with our parents, mother, father, and the brother, sister, and the son, daughters. So we have a relationship with them. If they are happy, so we are happy. If they are sorrow, then we are sorrow. So we have this kinds of relationship with them. In the same way, Brajvasi Jan has this kinds of relationship with. They are treating Krishna like a Lokik Satbandhu Preeti. They are treating him like that he is his son. Somebody is treating him like a friend. Somebody is treating him like a son. Somebody is treating him like a lover. So Nanda Yashoda has a Vatsalya bhav, that they have a deep impression in their heart. They love that Krishna is my son. Krishna is saying himself. So Ma Yashoda is treating me, thinking like that I am his son. They used to stole Krishna too. Just like a kid is doing bad things, and the mother scold him. In the same way, when Krishna was doing misbehaves, so Krishna, the mother Yashoda used to scold and beat Krishna.
परामृष्टमातं ततोद्रुतरूपं रुदन्तं मुहुर्नेत्रं जुगममृजन्तं कराम्भोजयुग्मेन आतङ्कनेत्रं मुहुर्शासकं
त्रिरेखाङ्ककण्ठ स्थितगैवदामो दरानन्तवेष्ण हो नमामीश्वर सच्चिदानन्द. How beautiful the bhav is. And Satyavrat Muni is writing this Damomandan Leela very nicely. He is describing this Leela very nicely. So whatever Valgopal did, he destroyed the water. He wasted the butters, and he was he was giving that water to monkeys and other animals. And when the mother was doing the butter pot, there was a butter pot, so he broken that butter pot. So that's why Ma Yashoda is. So she is giving punishment to the Gopal, and she had a stick in her hand. So what Krishna saw it. What Krishna saw. What Krishna saw, all the monkeys and the crows and everybody is disappearing here and there. They are running towards here and there. And what Krishna saw, then he fearing of Ma Yashoda, Bhagwan is Sarvagya. Bhagwan knows everything. But he's pretending like that he doesn't know anything. In the same times, he has two kinds of feeling, that Sarvagita or Arvagita, means he knows everything or he doesn't know everything. So seeing that, all the all the fearing, by the fearing of Mother Yashoda, all the monkeys and crows are wandering here and there. They are running. They are running. And what Krishna saw, that what is happening, why they are running. So he saw that, oh, Ma Yashoda is coming towards them, all of them, taking a stick in her hand, and she wants to beat all of them. So seeing Ma Yashoda, the Krishna was fearing that time. Even when Yam Maharaj used to fear while the Krishna, that Krishna, in this world we have seen to whom we fear. We always fear with the death, Mrityu, which is the topmost fear in this world. That is Mrityu, death. So we used to fear. And who is the Adhisthati Devta on death? Yamraj. ऊपर Yam Maharaj. And the same Yam Maharaj is fearing from Krishna. So there is the Avirbhava of Narsingh Dev on 6th of May. When Narsingh Dev Bhagwan killed Hiranyakashipu, so after killing him, he was so much angry, just like a lion, just like a king. He became so much angry after killing the elephant. So this, in the same way, Narsingh Maharaj was so much angry. Narsingh Bhagwan is very, very angry. So he was doing like, and all the devtas were seeing this scene, and they were doing study before Narsingh Maharaj. And Brahma and other demigods are fearing, oh, what is happening? Wow. And Brahma and other devtas were fearing that what is happening? Oh my God. And they used to tell, and they told to Lakshmi Devi, oh, please do something so that your husband can be peace and get peace. And she went to Narsingh Dev, and so she went to Narsingh Dev. So what I mean to say, so the Narsingh Dev is the parts and parts of Krishna, and Krishna is Bhagwan himself, and Narsingh Dev is parts. The same Krishna is the Sarvavatari. So he is fearing the fear of Ma Yashoda. And what Ma Yashoda did? And what Krishna did? So fearing of Ma Yashoda, he Jungli, yes, window. So he jumped from the ukhal of the kitchen. Ma Yashoda is not, she was chasing Krishna that time, and she had a stick in her hand, and she was chasing Krishna. What Ma Yashoda did? So in the same speed Krishna was running, and she was running double the speed of Krishna. And she hold the backward hold and backward claws of Krishna, and she was ruling on him.
कृष्ण साधारण एक बालक के भांति
and Krishna was pretending and acting like a general common boy. It is already, or it is described in the Damodarashtakam. So what is my mean to say? That Brajvasi Jan is called Ragatmika Jan. They have the spontaneous love. They have the deep love for Krishna in their soul. What is that anurag? What is that love? They are treating Krishna according to their sambandha. That Krishna is my son. They have this kinds of feeling in their heart. Krishna is Bhagwan himself. Even he is not Bhagwan or not, they don't think about and never they don't think this kinds of feeling in their heart. They never think like that. We used to think that who is Krishna, but Nitya Siddha Krishna or the Nitya Siddha Krishna's Parika never thinks like that. They are always engaged their mind in the service of Krishna. Just like somebody asks us, what is the day today? We don't know. Sunday. So because we don't have any requirement, we don't used to go office and somewhere. So we just used to see that where is sun is rising and where is going wet, set. It is true. Just like in the lockdown, there is no need to go anywhere. We are not going to downstairs too. So just chant the holy name, do Harikatha. So read your scriptures, Grantha, and what we can do more. Prashad Pav and take Prashad 3 times very nicely. There is nothing to do. Who are cooking, they are cooking. Who are doing Amanya, they are doing Amanya. Who is Pujari is doing Pujari. So we used to take the Prashad 3 times. We don't worry, we don't have any tension. What is happening in the Vishwa Brahmand, what is happening, we don't care. So if we have this kinds of position, so what is the condition of that aprakratik transcendental words people who always engage their mind in the service of Krishna by heart, body and soul? They have a deep anurag, deep love for Krishna. That's why again and again I'm repeating this word. There are two things in Brajvasi's heart. So according to the Ras Madhuri, they have Rag and Rag, they have love and affection towards Krishna, just like Madhurya Bhav people have a Madhurya love. These are Vatsalya Bhav people thinks that Krishna is my son, so they are treating him like this. And Madhurya Bhav thinks like that they are our Pran Pritam, they are lovers, so they are treating him like this. And the Sakya always think that he is our Sakya, he is our friend, so they are treating him like them. And they are observed, their mind always in the service of Krishna, in the same mood, whatever the mood they have according to their rasa. So they are always serving according to their ras bhava, eagerness and observance. So accepting Krishna's service, even Krishna's and Krishna's subjects, they don't never think about anything else. There is no place of in their mind apart from anything else. They always engage their mind in the Krishnas. Even Bhaktivinoda Thakur is writing in the Jap Dharma. In the Chit Jagat, there are many kinds of jivas are living. So they don't think that there is a mic, the mic word is there. They never think about that there is some word like which is called Jad Jagat, Maya Jagat. The people who have used to read the Jap Dharma, they have maybe read this that the Nitya Parikar, the jivas who are living in the transcendental world, in the transcendental jagat, they think that even they never know about that there is any kinds of word which is called mic word. So Jad Jagat is there. They never have. They are never. They are too busy. They are too engaged in their service. Even they don't have time to think about that there is something called mic Jagat. This is the speciality of that. This is the symptoms of Brajvasi Jai. They are always living in the observation. They are too much eagerness. They have too much eagerness in their mind. Even a single moment they cannot live without Krishna. They cannot tolerate the separation. It is very hard to. It is very hard to bear the toleration or bear the separation from Krishna. So when our eyelid comes down, so in the same time they cannot tolerate the salvation. So he thinks that when in the same time, even this time they think that how long the yugas has gone, so they cannot tolerate even a single moment without Krishna. They cannot bear the separation from Krishna. This is the symptoms of Brajvasi. This is called the Ragatmika Bhakti. So we are praying like that the Brajvasi have the love. So just like a rays of the sun, when we will get in our heart, that rays in our heart, how we can serve Krishna, how we can serve Govinda. This is called the Raganuga Bhakti. If we think that we are the parents of Krishna, we think that we are the parents of Krishna. No, Krishna has their eternal father, who is Nanda Yashoda.
विराजन्ति विभक्ति ब्रजवासी जनादिषु रागत्मिका अनुष्ठिता सा रागानुगा उच्यते। तत्तद् भावादि माधुर्य श्रुते विजत अपेक्षते न शास्त्रम न युक्ति तब लोभ उत्पत्ति का लक्षण। देखो हमारे रूप गोस्वामी पाद इसके और भी स्पष्टीकरण कर रहे हैं।
So Rupa Goswami Pad is giving the very nice specification.
ऐसे ब्रजवासी की कृष्ण के प्रति जो प्रेम माधुर्य कथा।
So the love of Brajvasis, we have the katha. So hearing that kind of katha, so we get a greed in our heart. There is no one, expected. They never expect that I am adhikari or not adhikari. They never desire like this, that I am the adhikari or not. They never think about that. If you think like that, then they cannot get the greed in their heart. So what I said, that Lobhamai Bhakti. So the Braj Bhakti is the second name is Lobhamai Bhakti, the greed Bhakti. What is the reason that we can give this kind of greed? Because we would like to be the argumenter. We always questions like why and because why and why. In the Ragmanta Chandrika, it is showing why they get the greed. There is a reason. Love is the reason of the greed is the reason of the greed. Some argumentative people used to ask many questions. They think that there is no reason without the cause. But Actually,
कार्य कारण हम सब ढूंढते हैं,
we always used to find out the cause and reasons, but actually it is spontaneously.
क्या लगाते हैं ये
Why?
है
क्यों?
क्वेश्चन मार्क लगा,
We always put a question mark. Why?
तो मिलेगा
Why?
है जो क्यों,
You will find out the answer that
केवल प्रश्न होता है,
there is only questions. Any why? Why is that? Why? Why?
क्योंकि देखें ब्रज
But you look in the Braj,
प्रेम
the Braj Bhakti is prem.
नहीं सब प्रेम लगा,
There is no word like why. There is no question mark.
कारण
So lobh lobhat is the karan. Greed is the greed of greed.
तो सुनाना पड़ेगा,
Otherwise, you have to tell the argument of people. You have to give so many argument.
तो अनेक कथा बताई,
There are many kinds of kathas. According to the previous consecration or according to the previous impression, they will tell you many kinds of stories of katha. But actually, the thing is, greed is the cause of greed. Greed is the cause of greed. So when all many previous words Sukritis, according to the many kinds of previous Sukriti, so getting the brush prem is not possible. Is not possible. So how we can get the brush prem? So if we take the shelter of a sadhujan who always engage in their mind in the service of Krishna, then we will get this kinds of love. Then we will get this kinds of greed. So how you can buy that? You can buy only by the greed. You can pay the price of greed. Then Vishwanath Chakravarti Path is establishing again the same thing. Vishwanath Chakravarti Path is described just like if somebody has a greed of drinking milk, that I have to drink milk. And what he does, I want milk. So what he does, then they used to go to Gwala. So Gwala can give you milk 1 day, 2 day, but the third day he will ask you that why are you coming every day? You can do one thing. If he is broad-hearted, so what he will do, he will give you one milk. Okay, you take the one cow and take the milk for yourself. Then that person who is desiring for milk, so what he will serve the cow and take out the milk. So this time, this all kinds of argumental things. So because what everybody wants in this world. So we will establish our philosophy on the Tattva Darshan. But in the Braj, they are not expecting any kinds of Tattva Darshan or any philosophy. So you can say many kinds of argument things, but they don't believe. They don't care. हिंदी ब्रॉडकास्ट अवेलेबल नहीं है क्या? हिंदी ब्रॉडकास्ट चल रहा है? इट्स अवेलेबल देयर, यू कैन चेक, इट्स अवेलेबल. How if truly we have greed in our heart or not? So how we can sometimes people are pretending that we have so much love and affection, we have Braj Bhav in our heart. So how we can know that he is truly a Brajbasi? There are 3 causes. So first we have to do in the Sadhak day, we have to follow all the rules and regulation of the scriptures. We will take the shelters of Guru Padasha and we will follow the 64 kinds of limbs of bhakti. We will do hearing, listening. It is showing. One is Sadhak Roop and one is Siddha Roop. So in the Sadhak form we have to follow. All this is all the instruction of the scriptures. If it is not possible by this sadhak day, yes. So if it is not possible in the sadhak form to stay in the braj, so what you have to, by mind you have to stay in the braj. And the third is
आत्म स्वरूप में स्थित होकर के कृष्ण को समस्त लीला चिंतन करें। माने माने सिद्धि कोरिया भवन रात्रि दिने
always in the Atmic Bhav, you should always remember Krishna. This is the last stage of a sadhak. First do we should always do. First we have to follow the rules and regulation of the scriptures. Rules and regulation of the scriptures के rules and regulation को follow करना. So who is following the Vedic mark? So whatever the instruction is provided on the Vedic mark, so we have to observe and follow the Vedi, all the instruction which is given by the scriptures. We have to follow the instructions. Until we are not following the regulations, rules, so we cannot enter in the Braj Bhav. So if we will not get this kinds of feeling, and we are saying that we have that Braj feeling, so we will destroy our life. We have to follow all this instruction. If they don't follow, and so what they will destroy their life. So that's why in the Bhajan Rajya we have to follow the Vidhi Marga. So they are following the rules and regulation by body, but their mind, we have to always engage in the Braj. Like they have to reside in the Braj by mind. Maybe I just Vishnu Chakravarti is arising a point here. At the same time, if you follow the Vidhi Marg and the Vidhi Marg and Rag Marg, so where they will go? You will go to Dwarka. If you follow the simultaneously this form, then you will go to Dwarka. Maybe you can arise this question. I am not taking this subject, but still I'm just arising a curiosity in your mind and your heart. It's mentioned. So if simultaneously you will follow the same path, so you will go to Dwarka. So we have to pay attention on this too. We cannot follow the same two ways simultaneously. There are 5 times the symptoms of a Rag Bhakti. The time is going to over, so I will have to finish it. So there are the 5 types of sadhan of a Braj Bhakti. Bhavamahi sadhan, first is. The second is Bhav Sambandhi sadhan. Bhav Anurup, Bhav Anukul, Bhav Pratikul or Bhav. And the 5th one. Maybe it is cannot mix up. If it is mixed up, and the Vedic Bhakti and Rag Bhakti is mixed up, then you will go to Dwarka. That's why Vishwanath Chakravarti is describing everything very nicely. There are 5 kinds of Raganika stages. You have to remember this. The time has over. My Maharaj is going to speak Katha. So he will speak about. So he will speak something about Rama and Mahabharata, Janva Devi, whatever to bhavna they have, whatever they have in mind. So you accordingly. I won't take his time now. So I'm just telling, going to finish. There are the 5 kinds of Padati of the bhajan: Bhavamai, Bhav Sambandhi, Bhav Anukul, Bhav Pratikul, Aviruddha, and the Bhav Aviruddha. We will describe tomorrow. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. Hare Krishna. Thank you for tolerating me. Hari Bol.